Hi there, it's Oliver. We get the question in of how to actually output ArtNet data from PIXERA. There's a way to actually do it. We have a special device we call a PDTF file. It's based on XML, and basically you input your parameters here, give it a minimum and a maximum value range and a default value. Can add folders to that and kind of create your own XML structure for a given fixture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, hold on, let me close that. I'm going to take that device, let's see, and I'm going to drop it into my layer structure. Just do a drag and drop. Before doing so, I already prepared output 1 to output ArtNet, port 6454, and some IP in the 200 IP range for ArtNet, 200.10.10.20. After that, I did restart PIXERA. So coming back to my compositing tab, let's grab that layer and let's change something. Let's change the values so we can actually see values change. And I'm going to add 2 keyframes, and I got 2 queues, a loop queue, so we can see changes later on. Let me run that. Oh, first of all, we need to do something. We need to patch this. So I'm going to give the layer API output 1, and now I'm going to patch the timeline. Yes, I want to patch the layer. I'm going to start, let's say I want to start with universe 1. So the whole layer now jumps to universe 1. I'm going to tell it, okay, auto patch, and it patched it for me. So we did this. Okay, now I'm going to let this run. Coming back to my settings tab, I will show, where is it? I now can see my API network activity, so I'm sending ArtNet output 1 from my IP to a given ArtNet IP, and yes, I can see that I'm sending data. I got a Wireshark here because I don't have an ArtNet receiver, so I'm going to connect to my LAN. Okay, and stop the screening. And as you can see, we're sending data from my IP to a destination called 210.10.20, and it's sending DMX ArtNet, and this is actually changing values. So if you have had your device set up according to your fixture, it should reach the correct channels. Let me know if that helped, if that gave you some idea. I'm going to drop the device.ptdf into the Facebook group, so feel free to check that out. Let me know if it worked, and as said, I don't have a ArtNet receiver. Let me know if it worked. Thank you.